All right, well,
it's like crazy. Like, I'll just be vascular for like no reason.
Yeah.
For days. I'm like, holy shit.
So I get that like right now, like whenever I eat, like anytime I eat, like especially if I eat like a lot of carbs, I'll all of a sudden just like flush out. Yeah, so I wonder if it's just gonna intensify that.
Getting some like rip-off sweats.
Yeah.
So I get like an actual leg pump.
Dude, that's the hardest pump cover I've ever heard of. Nobody's doing that.
You only rack in a fucking mirror. So
I was gonna say, what the fuck?
When I'm squatting, I really squat facing this way over there, which is so awkward, away from the rack.
Well, I definitely am trying to look from the mirror. I just like to, I love the quad dominant shit, you know?
It's more like the hamstring, it's like whatever you can see is more fun to hit, right? So like, that's why a lot of people, their backs suck like mine, their hamstrings suck like mine. It's just like you train the quads and you're like, holy fuck, bro, like let's go. And then I'm like, oh shit, I have no hamstrings.
Dude, bro, it's back there, bro. It might as well be invisible. I get a lot of questions about my tattoos. I have 2 of them. They're both here on my legs. First one is a big black duck, and I got this one because it's like a childhood nickname of mine. Like all my OG friends all call me Duck. And this other one is one of my favorite quotes. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence then is not an act, but a habit. People don't really know who said it. Some people say Aristotle, some people say this guy named Will Durant. But either way, I really like the quote.
Tyson that it's not fucking arm day today. It's lower arm day today.
Alright guys, that was some fucking monster leg day again at Muscle Factory. Guys, I've been working out in Arizona for a very long time and I've been to a ton of different gyms. This place is by far the most rugged, best vibes. They have the best machines, best lighting. Like, I really fucking like this place. Like, I think for people who are serious about their training, this is the perfect gym for them. Even though like this is far away from me, they're not far away from me, but it's just not the most convenient location. It's smack dab in the middle of Tempe, which I know is gonna be great for a ton of people, but I'm gonna continue to come back here just because of how much I like this place. Nick, that was a banger fucking workout. We fucking took some boner pills together the day after Valentine's Day. A little sus, but yeah, that's just anything for the gains, bro. That's just what it's all about.
Yep, double gains.
But guys, dude, Nick is a professional, or is it, what is it, you're competing in bodybuilding?
Yeah, I compete in bodybuilding in the amateur division.
Well, he has taught me a lot about it. It's something I'm pretty interested in. He's got a ton of great content over on Instagram. You need to check it out. We'll throw up your at name right here.
Ripping TikTok a little bit too.
Okay, there we go. I haven't seen the TikTok. You have to share that with me.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, go check out his stuff. I definitely want to hit some more workouts with you, bro. It's good to see you.
Yeah, man.
It's pretty crazy because, like, I don't know if I said this in the beginning, but me and Nick used to play soccer with each other long ass fucking time ago. Yep. And it's funny because all of a sudden I see him on Instagram and he's fucking throwing up some stage pics, looking all fucking lean, looking all big, and I was like, yo, what the fuck? Yep. So
the routine is come in here and rip some nasty workout for like 2 hours, then some douchey posing for a little bit.
There you go. Dude, that's the life right there. That's what we're looking for.
Only on the outside.
Awesome, bro. Well, hey, dude, it was good to see you. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Go check out his stuff. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Guys, I'm still doing the giveaway. So I'm giving away $500 and a free one-on-one business consulting session. If you guys want to win that, you guys can go watch this video right here, and it'll show you how to enter the giveaway. Super excited for that. Go enter, get your submissions in, and we will see you guys on the next one.